This is the third generation Echo Dot. Let's open it, set it up, and compare it to the previous version. Hi, my name is Craig. Here I do tech tips and reviews along with the weekly Echo series. Check out the description. I'll put links to this Echo and all the new ones that are coming out. Please use those links. It definitely helps out the channel. This is week number 41 of my 52-week Echo video series. This is my second video this week. The previous one you could check out here is for the second generation Echo Show. If you watch some of the others, thank you very much. If not, check them out. Let's pop this box open and take a look at this new Echo. This version here is supposed to be a big improvement on the sound from the previous versions. So right here out of the box, we have the new Echo Dot. Let's see what it looks like. Already, it looks a little bit bigger. I went with the charcoal version here. We have paperwork, don't need those. And we have the power adapter, which is a larger power adapter than previous versions. A little bit about this Echo. It is $49.99 and available now. It has fabric around the sides and rounded corners to give it a softer, more refined look to it. A big improvement on this, and the reason it is larger, it now has a 1.6 inch speaker inside instead of the 1.1 inch that came out on the previous version. This is supposed to give you better sound, less distortion, and is 70% louder. You can connect two of them together to form a stereo pair of speakers. On top, there are 4 microphones. On the back, there's a power and a line out to connect to an external speaker. You can also use Bluetooth to connect to external speakers. Along the top, you have the light ring that'll go blue when the device is listening. It'll go red when you have it muted. On top, you have the volume up, down, mute button, and action button if you want to make a request without calling out the wake word. The rest of the functionality is the same as previous versions. Let's power this up and go through the setup process together. Now this may be set up already because they are setting them up now before they ship them to you. So you do need to make a point to check that this is a gift if you do buy one of the new devices. For example, my second generation one came already set up, already recognized it was me. This one was showing up in my app before it even arrived here. It was showing up as my new Dot. So this might be ready to go.
Hello. Bringing your device online. Just a moment.
We may not see much of a setup process this time around. With previous generations, it would prompt you through it, tell you to launch the app. Right now,
Your device is ready.
it's ready. Okay? I don't need this. Nothing to set up on the phone. See, I'm walking it through with you. I'm doing this real time, haven't used it yet. That way you get to share the experience with me. So if you already own a device and have an account, it's going to ship to you ready to go. It's online now. I guess next step is to compare it to the next device. So here is the second generation Dot. Let's just do a little side-by-side comparison with them. The first thing that you notice is going to be the size difference. That's going to be the larger speaker, which is a 1/2 inch bigger. It makes it about 25% larger, probably about 10-20% taller. On top, you have the 4 microphones versus the 7, but that does not affect the sound quality. You have the same button configuration. You have the same ports available. The power supply is larger. It comes in at 15 watts instead of the previous 9-watt version. On both, you see the same light ring. Let's try these out to compare the sound, because that's supposed to be what this is all about here, is sound. And from everything I'm reading, this thing can actually stand on its own now and is worth actually having and listening to compared to this, which was so minimal and really was meant to be a device to request things from, that it would start to distort and have issues really trying to listen to music through it. I've changed the name of this device to Echo, and I've changed the name to this device to Computer. I'm gonna set the volume so they are the same. Echo, volume 5. Computer, volume 5. Right off the bat, you hear the tone out of them, and this thing sounds super quiet. We're at the same volume, so let's start playing a song. Echo, play. What song? Echo, pause. Computer, play. Computer, pause. Echo, play. Echo, pause. Computer, play.
Can keep my hands on myself.
Computer, pause. Okay, that's at 50% right now on both of them. This is like you're overhearing it through somebody's headphones or something. This is not bad at all. Let's see how loud we have to turn this up in order to get it to sound closer to this. Echo, play. That's at full. Echo, pause. Computer, play. 50%. That's at full. Computer, pause. Echo, play. Okay, no mid-range, no low end out of this. This is missing low end. You might be able to boost it up a little in the equalizer using the app. Let's open up the app and let's try the equalizer on this and see how it works. Computer, play. Okay, that's bass turned up all the way.
Keep my hands on myself.
It's a little better. That's bass all the way out. I could hear the difference, big change. It does need the bass turned up all the way in the equalizer to me. Let's try an Audible book now and see how spoken word sounds between them. Echo, play my Audible book.
Say in Silicon Valley, replaced by executives with deep technical competence.
Echo, pause. That's at full volume. Computer, play my Audible book.
Clever online
Computer,
business
volume
model
5.
and experienced CEOs from traditional
50%.
companies were passé in Silicon Valley,
this
replaced
is-
by executives with deep technical competence.
Clever online business models and experienced CEOs from
Very
traditional
tinny
companies were passé
compared to
in
it.
Silicon Valley, replaced by executives with
That's full volume there. I can see starting an Audible book and listening to it while doing stuff around in the room and being able to hear it well. Let's just try a couple of requests. So this one's still at full. Computer, volume 5. Echo, tell me a joke.
Why did the vindictive chicken cross the road? The road crossed her first.
Computer, tell me a joke.
Did you hear about the cow who graduated top of her class? She was really motivated to succeed.
I can see replacing all of these with these, especially if there's some family or friends you can give this away to and, justify buying more of these. Just to do another test and compare to the full-size Echo, let's set them both to volume number 5. Echo, play. Echo, pause. Computer, play. Computer, pause. Echo, play.
Can keep my hands on myself.
Echo, pause. Computer, play.
Can keep my hands on myself.
Computer, pause. Echo, play.
Put 'em back up on the shelf. Yes, my little baby girl is in me. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, all the rebels is no kickstand.
Computer, play.
Is in me. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, all the rebels is no kickstand. I've been feeling it since 1966 now.
I am pleasantly surprised. This definitely has more bass to it, but volume difference was not that far off. They started to really stand out. As you turn this up, this definitely had a fuller sound to it. This thing, for the fact that it's doing as well as it is for its size, I'm impressed by it. I think this is a nice little update. This is $100. Two of these would be $100. Buying two of these and placing them for a little audio system would probably sound better than just this. I am impressed. I think Amazon did a good job with improving on it. I like the fact that they kept the price point the same. Let me know, what do you think about this? I have a question for you. After listening to this, would you buy one of these Echo Dots? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't, please consider subscribing to check out future videos. You can click that bell to be notified. If you want to help support the channel, check out the Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it, use it, and Amazon will kick us back a little. I appreciate you watching this. Have a great day. Bye.